In this quick guide, I will show you how to get rid of OneDrive and make your OneDrive go away forever. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. Once we will get rid of this OneDrive, your online OneDrive and OneDrive data will stay there forever. You are not going to lose anything from your OneDrive and you will still be able to access your OneDrive or OneDrive data by logging into OneDrive.com with your Microsoft email account. Now, the first simple approach I want to show you is go to OneDrive icon on the right bottom of your screen, click on this gear icon and go to Settings. Then on the left bar, click on Account and here you have an option to unlink this PC. Again, you could click on Unlink Account. When I click on Unlink Account, see my OneDrive is showing not signed in and it's again asking me to sign in into OneDrive. Also, my all of the OneDrive folders have gone away from here. Now the OneDrive is still in your computer, but it's not running until you define a login account to log in into OneDrive. Now let's say we don't want OneDrive application in our PC or a laptop, even it's sign in or not. That's also not too hard. Let's close this menu and go to settings. Open up the settings. Here we want to go to apps. Now click on installed apps. Here let's go ahead and search for OneDrive. Click on these three dots and we have an option to uninstall OneDrive completely. Again, click on uninstall. Click yes on the USC and OneDrive is gone from my laptop. If you change your mind and you want to reinstall OneDrive, just pull up any browser and type download Microsoft OneDrive. You could just go ahead and quickly download and install OneDrive in your PC within few seconds. Now, as we have unlinked our PC and also we have uninstalled Microsoft OneDrive, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, we want to go to Startup App and just we want to make sure that Microsoft OneDrive is not running here. And if you still found your Microsoft OneDrive here, this means that OneDrive didn't uninstall completely. So you have to make sure you have uninstalled Microsoft OneDrive correctly. Now let's quickly talk about OneDrive folder. If I pull up File Explorer here, you could see that I don't have any OneDrive syncing to my PC. Just go to C drive, then go to Users. In my case, I have ITPK users logged in and was using OneDrive. Here you could see I still have OneDrive folder, but this OneDrive folder doing nothing except consuming my computer storage. So here I would recommend you start exploring these all folders inside the OneDrive, and if you have any important files sitting here, make sure to take their backup or move them to OneDrive online on the web. Okay, so I'm going to delete this OneDrive folder from my PC as I have nothing to do with this. So that's it about today's quick video how to completely get rid of OneDrive. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.